Good evening, scholars, and welcome to the first series of the Electa onboarding process. My name is Florence. I am here at the help desk. The first thing that you need to learn or need to do before you start your navigation on the system is to create a class, or I should say a school folder that contains your class videos. So what I'm going to do, not class videos that shall contain your class assignments, excuse me. So I'm going to show you briefly two ways to be able to create your class assignments. The first thing you want to do is, the first option to create your class folders is to create your, or your school folder is to create your folder on the desktop. Down here on the bottom of your taskbar, you should see a yellow folder with a blue handle. This is called the File Explorer. Double-click to open up your File Explorer, and you will get a screen that looks something like this. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to the left side panel where it says, locate where it says this PC on your computer. If you do not see that, double-click the This PC area to open up the other options. Then you want to scroll down to the option that says Desktop and click on Desktop. Once you have done this, you want to go up to the top where you see the Home tab and click on Home tab to make sure that your Home tab is activated. From there, you will click on New Folder. Because I already have a WWIE folder created, I'm going to create a second one. So this is going to be the WWIE, and this is what you would title your school folder. And then press Enter. Make sure that your cap lock is on before you type. Once you have created the school folder, you want to double-click and open it up. And inside of the school folder, you now want to create your class folders. As long as your Home tab is still active, all you need to do is just click where it says New Folder. Click on the New Folder, and then you want to type in the class name, which will be the first class is RS-201, and then hit your Enter key. Make sure that your cap lock is still on. Then you want to create your next class folder, and all you need to do is go up here and click on where it says New Folder, click New Folder, and then type in your next class number, which would be RS-203. Then you want to click the next folder, New Folder again, to create your next class folder, which will be RS-205. Press the Enter key. So that's one option to be able to create your school folders. The other way to do it is to find a blank space on your desktop. This is considered the desktop, which is the first main screen you come to when you boot up your Windows application. So what you want to do here, if you want to create it from here, is find a blank spot. You're going to right-click one time. You will come up with a menu screen, and then you want to go down to where it says New. Do not click on it. All you want to do is highlight it in blue and then move over to where it says Folder. Then you left-click one time. That will create a new folder on your screen. As long as it's highlighted in dark blue, all you need to do is type in the name of the school. So we're going to put, since I already have WWIE2, I'm going to make a third one. So this is going to be WWIE 3. So this will be my third folder. Now that I have this folder already created on the desktop, I'm just going to double-click to open it. And within this folder, I'm going to make sure that my Home tab is active. Go over to where it says New Folder. Left-click the New Folder icon one time, and then just type in the class name or the course name. Sorry, that was supposed to be 201, not 203. Click the new folder icon again to make your next class folder. Hit enter. Click the new folder again to create your next class folder. Hit enter again. And this is the easiest, simplest way to create your school folders.